Okay, in this video, I am showing you how to take an equation and find a variable within the equation. So, for example, let's take a simple one like the area formula of a rectangle, which is length times width. Let's say that we want to find W. So we want to change the formula around so it looks like W equals. So we ask ourselves, since we're looking for W, we're going to treat it as our variable. So here's my question. What is my variable? It's W. What's being done to W? It's being multiplied by L. So what's the opposite of multiply by L? We divide both sides by L. Whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other side of the equal sign. Alright, and so L divided by L is 1, so they kind of cancel each other out. And 1 times W is W. Now W is going to equal the area divided by the length. So if I want to find the width, I could just take the area, if I'm given the area, and I'm given a length, I can divide the two and it'll give me the width. So let's try another one. Let's say that we have area equals pi r squared. And we want to find r. Alright, so the first thing I know is that I'm asking myself what is the variable, and I know it's r. Then I ask myself what's being done to r. It's being squared and it's being multiplied by pi. So let's get rid of the pi first. So since it's being multiplied by pi, I'm going to divide both sides by pi. Alright, pi divided by pi is 1, and 1 times r squared is r squared. And r squared equals the area over pi. Now, r squared can be simplified. It really means r times r. We also know that r squared, anything that's squared, the opposite of it is square root. So we can take the square root to both sides. So I'm going to take the square root to both sides. The square root of r squared is r. And so my answer is going to be the square root of a over pi. So r equals the square root of a over pi. So you can see in literal equations, you're really finding whatever variable they tell you to find, like in this case we're to find r, then we treat it as a variable of an unknown and we look and see what's being done to that variable and do the opposite with both sides.